You were lied to. They told you investing is only for the rich, that you need thousands to get started, that it's too complicated, that it's risky. None of that is true. The real truth, investing is the only shot most people have to escape poverty. If you're working hard, trading hours for dollars, and not investing, you're on a treadmill going nowhere. Every year, inflation eats away your savings. Every decade, your physical energy declines, and without money working for you, you stay trapped. But here's the opportunity. You don't need to be a millionaire to start investing. You need to become the kind of man who invests, even when he isn't one yet. Let's simplify it. Start with a Roth IRA. It's a retirement account you fund with after-tax dollars. Why does it matter? Because when you withdraw it later, it's tax-free. Even better, it grows tax-free. That's compound interest working like a silent army while you sleep. Alright, so next up, pick a low-cost index fund, something like VTI, which covers the total stock market, or VOO, which tracks the S&P 500. These types of funds spread your investment across hundreds of companies. No picking winners, no chasing trends, just owning the entire economy over time. Then, go ahead and set up automatic contributions, even if it's just $25 a month, get it on autopilot. Why? Because honestly, investing works best when you're consistent, not emotional. Now let's destroy the myth. I don't have enough to start. Yes, you do. You have $10 a week. You waste that on snacks, streaming, or gas station stops. Redirect that. Build the habit, the discipline, before you build the portfolio. Here's what most men don't realize. You're either building wealth slowly and boringly, or you're falling behind quietly and permanently. The difference between the wealthy and the broke isn't just money. It's what they do with small money over a long period. Wealthy men, they plant seeds. Broke men, they eat them. You want to change your life? Alright, then start by changing what you do today, with the $10 you were just gonna waste. Let's talk risk for a second. Yeah, investing has its ups and downs. That's just part of the game. But you know what's actually riskier? Working for 40 years, ending up with nothing, and depending on Social Security to survive? That's not a life, that's a gamble. Instead, think long-term. Don't check your portfolio every single day. Don't react emotionally to every little dip. Just set it, forget it, and let it grow. Every dollar you invest, that's one less hour you'll have to work down the road. And when you start early, even tiny amounts can turn into massive numbers over time. That's not just motivation, that's straight up math. So here's your action plan. Open a Roth IRA at Fidelity, Vanguard, or Schwab. Any of those will do. Pick a broad market index fund. Set up automatic contributions, anywhere from $10 to $50 a month. Do it every month, no matter what. Then just sit back and watch it grow. The secret to wealth isn't speed, it's consistency. If you stick with this for 10 years, you'll never be broke again. Do it for 30 years, and you'll be free. But hey, the choice is yours. Keep scrolling, or join OLP 365 Nation and start planting. One builds your future, the other, it destroys it. Fight on.